Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to compare data in Excel with VLOOKUP in just a few simple steps. Click cell D2, where you want the first matched result to appear. The cell is highlighted with a thick border, ready for you to enter your formula. In the formula bar at the top of the screen, type equals VLOOKUP, open bracket B2, comma, $A, $2, colon, $A, $5, comma, 1, comma, false, close bracket, then press enter. The dollar signs lock the table range so it won't shift when you copy the formula down. Once you press enter, the formula executes and returns the matched value in cell D2. Click cell D2 again to select it. You'll see the formula displayed in the formula bar, and the cell border becomes active again. Now click the fill handle, the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag it down to cell D5 to copy the formula down to the remaining rows. The formula is applied to all the cells in the range, and an autofill options icon appears just below the filled selection. Click the autofill options icon to see additional fill options if needed, such as copying values only or filling without formatting. The false argument at the end of your VLOOKUP formula ensures an exact match. If you use true instead, Excel will find the closest match, which can give you unexpected results. If you see a number NA error, it means the lookup value doesn't exist in your lookup range, so double-check your data for typos or missing entries. The dollar signs in the range reference lock it in place, so when you copy the formula down, it always searches the same lookup table rather than shifting the range with each row. And that's how to compare data in Excel with VLOOKUP.